The cause of death of Robert Dunne, the son of businessman Ben Dunne, can finally be revealed for the first time today. The Sunday Independent has learned that Mr Dunne died after ingesting a lethal cocktail of drugs, in what is the latest tragic twist in the long-running saga of the Dunne Stores family dynasty. According to official documents released by the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner in New York City, the businessman's son died after ingesting a fatal mixture of cocaine, fentanyl and oxycodone. The medical examiner's final determination is that Mr Dunne's death was brought about by an acute intoxication and was deemed an accident. Mr Dunne died in his luxury Manhattan condominium on Friday, the 1st of August. In separate documents seen by the Sunday Independent, Mr Dunne, who was a respected lawyer in New York, left an estate that included his 7-figure home in the leafy Upper East Side of Manhattan. It has been valued between $1.5 and $1.7 million. The latest news has sent shockwaves through close friends of the Dunne family this weekend. One very close friend of Robert's late father, Ben, told the Sunday Independent that the news would, quote, devastate the family. He said, quote, "Mary is a really, really good person, a really normal woman and a very good person. He said she will be absolutely devastated by this.